Okay, look, I'm not the biggest fan of sports. Actually, I'm not a fan of sports at all. I just don't get it. It's not interesting to me. If you are, that's super cool. Good for you. However, I do really like cheap food. And my friend invited me to a hockey game tonight. I'm going because they're gonna have dollar hot dogs and dollar popcorn and dollar drinks, and I'm just gonna eat all the food. So, put on this sweatshirt because, you know, hockey is a cold sport to watch. I really wanted to wear my sports shirt. Let me show you. Can you see it? Can you see it? But I don't think that would be warm enough, unfortunately. So I'm in the sweatshirt and bring you along with me because who doesn't love a good hockey game? Me. I don't. Good morning. Actually, good afternoon. It's definitely afternoon. It's Saturday now. Ironically, I'm wearing my sports shirt today, even though I'm not gonna go see any sports at all. But me and Allison only stayed 2 periods. I think that's what it was. Yeah. We stayed for most of it, but then we left because it was also National Margarita Day. And so we went to get margaritas instead, which I think was a much better use of our time. But right now I'm trying to decide if I want to do anything with my hair or just put it up because it doesn't look super great. I'm going on a little road trip. I need to finish up a project that I've been working on, and I'm meeting up with a couple people, and I think we're going to finish it up today. So I'm really excited about that. And also, Lizzie's birthday dinner is tonight, so double excited for that. I go back and forth so much with what I want to do with my hair, it's ridiculous. Also, it looks really greasy, and I don't know why. I need dry shampoo. Hey, I made it. It's raining. Yuck, rain. Super excited. But no, I'm gonna go in and I'm working with a bookstore and helping them kind of develop their website and get it live and running. But I also just really enjoy the owners and one of their associates, and I enjoy talking to them, so I'm pretty excited. And hopefully I can show you a little bit of the bookstore because it's got such a cool vibe, so.
Salted in the seam, as long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually.
Hello? Hello?
So,
Hi!
so
Okay.
whenever you get here, we can go on.
Alright.
Whatever.
Well,
Okay.
I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, honey. Bye-bye.
Bye. Yeah. Okay. I'm actually stopped outside this bowling alley. Showtime. It's called Showtime Lanes. I don't know. They just put Showtime though. Anyway, they have really good food also. They have like a little restaurant attached to it. And they make the best chocolate chip pancakes. I cannot even describe them. And I really want to eat some, but Lizzie's birthday dinner is tonight. So, I won't. I'm doing this for you, Lizzie. You're welcome. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lizzie. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Yay! Very good.
Teletubbies.
Grandma, what do you think of the dessert?
It's wonderful. Everything my daughter makes is wonderful.
Oh, that's really
And
nice.
that's what he said.
Well, here's a present.
He had to go outside. He was just
I remember that.
so nobody.
Yeah, those brothers and sisters around, or all the brothers around. Why didn't they ever
Thank you. I love
do anything?
you.
That's the fire.
Oh,
Watch your plate.
trifle. They make it. Oh yeah! Thank you.
Oh,
Steering wheel cover.
Oh, nice.
Because I always burn my hands on mine.
Yeah.
This is the only thing you didn't get for Christmas.
Because it's so
was on your
large.
list.